When your CAT equipment meets its end of life, it's not really the end of life. Your component systems and machines were built to be rebuilt, part of the added value that comes with investing in Caterpillar. Like new condition for less cost than buying new? That's the promise of a CAT rebuild. But you get so much more than that. You can restore your equipment to its original performance or give it a new, improved life with upgrades and technologies introduced after your equipment first came out. You'll also get same-as-new support and services, including special financing options and customer value agreements. But the best part of a CAT rebuild? You've got options. From a single component rebuild all the way to a full machine rebuild that replaces, reuses, or salvages 7,000 parts, you're sure to find the option that best fits your needs. Let's dive even deeper. Within your rebuild options, you have a couple of routes you can take. If you like flexibility in your plan, you can take the dealer rebuild route. While you may get limited equipment protection plan coverage here, you get the option to work with your dealer and tailor a rebuild specific to your needs. If you like extra coverage options, you can take the CAT certified rebuild route. Here, you get new machine performance and dealer support, plus the benefits of the CAT certified process, where you can expect unmatched testing, warranties, and more. Point is, there's a rebuild for you regardless of what your budget or operations look like. And like everything CAT, no matter what rebuild option you choose, you'll get the support of the largest dealer network in the industry, every step of the way. Contact your dealer today to find or create the rebuild option that's right for you.